Hello everyone! So ayan, pupunta tayo ngayon dito sa Jungle River Cruise. So ayan, kailangan pasok tayo dyan guys. So medyo madami-dami na ang mga tao na gustong ma-explore ang Jungle River Cruise. So ayan, yung mga na yan guys is mga Chinese, yung mga nasa unahan ko. So dahil hindi ko maintindihan ang Chinese, so meron silang guys, pagpipilian kung halimbawa gusto mo ng English, Cantonese, or Mandarin. So dahil hindi tayo marunong, so ang pipiliin natin guys, pipila tayo dun sa English section, diba? So ayan, nakapila kasi dahil medyo madami tao, so medyo mahaba na yung pila. So lilibutin po natin yun guys, lilibutin po natin itong lugar na to. So ayan, diba nakikita niyo yung English. Ayan, so dyan tayo papasok. Ayan, buti na lang walang masyadong nakapila sa English section. Pero dun sa kabila guys, ayan, mga na yan, Cantonese and Mandarin. So tingnan nyo naman, diba, ang haba ng pila. Iikot pa yan guys. Ayan. Sana mag-enjoy po kayo sa video na to. Ayan, so pila tayo dahil puno na yung first batch. So ayan, waiting ako ngayon guys. Naka-waiting ako ngayon. Ayan, so habang waiting, ayan, pakita ko yung ayan na yung mga first batch. Nauna na sila. So ngayon naman guys, nasa na kami na yung susunod ngayon. Yun, dun, ayan na yung bangka na sasakyan namin. Yun yung yung magtutur sa amin. Ayan, so papasok na tayo guys. Yan. Okay, so sabi nung guardia, pasok na daw. Ayan. So kailangan sa harapan para mas maganda yung mas maganda ang kuhanan video. Kasi pag nasa gitna ka guys, nakaupo, wala, matatakpan ka. Ayan, mag-start na tayo. Let's go. Enjoy watching guys. Thank you.
Please remain seated during the whole journey. You do not put your hands and feet outside the boat. So if you have children, please watch out for your children. If you don't watch out for your children, the crocodile in the river watch it for you. Alright? Let's start our journey right now. Alright, on our right hand side, you can see there's a tree house. The tree house of Thailand. But right now Thailand is on a vacation. So the tree house is temporarily closed. But don't worry, you can still watch this beautiful tree house. But you don't try to swim across the river. There's many crocodiles in this river. If you swim in this river, you will be very, very dangerous. Alright, right now we are in the world's longest river, which is about 4,000 kilometers long. But don't worry, I got some shortcuts. We can show many animals and the views as we can. The first one you can see explore is on our left hand side. Alright, you can see there's a mother elephant and the little one. Seems like a little one practicing how to use his rod. Alright, that's so cute. A good thing for us that's too small, otherwise we'll all get wet. And on the right hand side, there's something you don't see every day. Alright, the elephant taking a shower. Look at this. So always very close to the skin. Then you stay underwater for a long time. If you don't want to get wet, don't stay underwater for a long time. And right now, the father elephant. Be careful. Look at the shot. So close. Alright, you have to be careful. You have to mind that truck seems like an aiming at something. Go. Be careful. Careful, I think he's aiming at us. I think he's not aiming at us, he's just panicking. But the elephant falls our way off to the main river. I've never been this place before. Oh no! Alright, but we got many people, right? I think we will probably stay. On the left hand side and the right hand side, that's the world's largest spiders. Be careful, they can jump 20 feet in one jump. Look, there's one spider missing. I don't know where he go. Be careful, one don't be lost. Maybe he's caught inside your backpack. Alright, look around this area. This is the elephant what's in this area. Those are the guardians of the elephant god temple. Don't put your hand outside the boat. If you put your hand outside the boat, you will think you're the attacker of the elephant god temple. They will bite you immediately. Do not try this. It will be very, very dangerous. Alright, seems like we passed through the last kangaroo, and I think we are safe for now, explorers. Although we are not safe, careful on both sides. Those are crocodiles. Therefore, we're gonna watch this. If a man eats a crocodile, don't put your hands and feet outside the boat. You like your hands and feet as their snack. Well, a good rainforest and frost them are napping. We can pass through this area immediately. For what you go first, there's the forest cave. It's set up by Professor Potter and James. It seems like there's some unexpected company. Careful, just the real careful. Almost we take us out of the barrel. Just take us out of the barrel, we won't become a submarine. Alright, I don't know why they're so excited. It seems like we enter the realm of all kinds of animals explore. You can see there's a lot of zebras. You can see there's giraffe and also elephant. Alright? There's a little fun fact for all of you. The male zebras are white and red, the female zebras are black and white. 基本上没有为什么变的。Alright, there's an elephant. Alright? There's a most animal form is in modern law. Alright? It seems like they have an army. Don't go down there. And it's about to head into the Hongkong Disneyland as well. Look at all these beautiful pictures. Let's move down. Those beautiful pictures and move along. 6,000 pounds. And on the left hand side, be careful. Oh, that was so close. It's like, oh, we are very brave. Alright, none of you jump off the boat, yes? Alright. This is my last boat member. When they see the hero jump off the boat immediately, look at them now, alright? Skipper Leo tell you to keep seated for good reason. Seems like they had a good time and we don't have any seat for them, so let's skip football. Okay. Oh, be careful, explore. Look at all the signs and the skull. Wow, it looks familiar. Maybe it's my boat members too. Be careful. Alright, I think we entered the territory of the headhunters. They will capture people afraid of them to their I think. Alright, careful. I'll just pass through here. Safely and quiet. I think they're looking at us. Whoa, careful! Okay, come down. Careful, now. Do not shoot my poison down. Oh yeah, that was so close, alright? Anyone get hit by poison dart? Alright? Oh, I get hit by poison. Someone tried to pull for me. Oh no, I'm just kidding. Alright, Simple, we are very healthy. And we're about to go back to the door, right? Explorers. Alright, the door is right in front of us, and I'm sure that there are no more lions, eagles, or rhinos that stop us go back to the door, okay? Okay, I think we are safe now. Right. Oh, be careful. Whoa, watch out! I need to turn and go back to the door. Everyone hold tight on the boat. Oh, be careful. I need to turn and now go. Oh, yeah. Be careful. Alright, like enter something. And then come before. I think we enter the same door. Be careful. This place is down the one door to the one door. And I think there's an entry. Oh no, they fall on the gate. Inside here. Be careful. Go to the fire door. Just like they did. We're safer now. Oh, do you hear that? There's a little old friend will say goodbye to all of us. It's a baby elephant. Alright, on our left hand side, we say goodbye to baby elephant. Alright, everyone. Bye. Alright, explorers, we're about to go back to the door. Do not put your hands on the side of the door. Sit down, please. We're about to go back to the door. Alright, sit down, please. Okay. Alright, we're about to go back to the door, explorer. You guys are so brave, alright? When you leave, do not climb those windows. Those windows are for careers. You can leave from the middle and the back door. Alright? Don't put your personal belongings. Don't leave it as the present to your skipper. And also, if you enjoy the trip, you can remember your skipper name is Leo. If you don't enjoy, you can remember me as a David or Paul. Alright, and a few more seconds and you stop both. 5, 4, 3, 2, and follow. 1. Alright, the pool. It's time to say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You guys are so brave. Thank you all of you joining us today. Wish you all have a magical day in Hongkong Disneyland. Bye-bye. You can also leave from the back door. You can leave for 3 more seconds faster.